Community relations, a firm's interactions with the people constituting the environment it operates in and draws resources from the foster mutual understanding, trust, and support. So the community relations should also be seen as an interdependent relationships where every community has a vital stake in the economic health and the prosperity of its situation. So the community relations, we can say that a group of people who live in the same place, share the same government, and have a common cultural and historical heritage. So business organizations are among the more important community institutions. So business serves the community by providing a regular employment, reasonable wages, and financial benefits by purchasing goods and services from local suppliers. So by paying taxes to local government, by contributing to charities and cultural projects. So people on the other part supply skilled labor, management personnel, and investment capital, and the consumes the goods and services which business produces. The role of the role of community relations, a primary task is to enhance the visibility status of the organization, its value in the eyes of the community or communities. So maintain the enhance ongoing activity. One-off events have their place, but ongoing, often low-level exposures is important in complementing the other forms of publicity. So identifying and tap on a variety of networks, for example, community leaders, opinion shapers, local media, civic groups, local regional councils, schools, hospitals, charities, supporting groups. So these are the, we can say that the various networks. Provisions of regular information to community groups and maintenance of personal contacts. So there are like various benefits of good community relations to both business and the organizations of the people. So business organization have found the recruiting of employees is facilitated if a company is known its community a good company to work for. So the employees and the people prefer to work in a community where they can send their children to good schools, enjoy facilities for recreation, cultural attractions, and sports, live in attractive houses, and have a transportation facilities. So good community relations secure local identity for the plant or store of the national corporation, and ally community mistrust of the absentees ownership. So maintaining the attractiveness of an organization's facilities and encouraging your employees. So member acting as an ambassador. So commitment to current community concerns. Example, environmentally friendly and sponsorship. And also it grants the donations of equipments or philanthropy activities for the society, scholarship for the society, supporting fundraising projects, being active or in a local services clubs, assisting a local regional governments and agencies. Guidelines for effective relations programs establish clear program activity, strategic and tactical objectives, and desired outputs, outtakes, and outcomes before you begin to provide a basis for measurements of results. Differentiate between measuring PR outputs, which are usually short term, and surface PR outtakes, which are usually more far reaching and can have a more impact. So measuring media content, while of a great value, needs to be viewed as only a first step in a PR measurements and evaluation process. So it can be measured possible exposure to PR messages and actual press coverage. So however, it cannot by itself measures whether target audiences actually saw the messages and responded to in any way. So there is a we can say that no one simple all encompasses research tool, a technique, or a methodology that can be relied on measures and evaluate a PR effectiveness. So usually A combination of different measurement techniques are needed. Consideration should be given to any one or several of the following. So media content analysis like cyberspace analysis, trade show and event measurements, polls and surveys, focus groups, experimental designs, etc. The specific functions of public relations. Public relations functions are categorized by the publics with which relationships are established and to whom appeals are made to understand and or accept certain policies, procedures, individuals, causes, products or services. So community relations. A public relations functions consisting of an organization's planned, active, and continuing participation with and within a community to maintain and enhance its environment to the benefit of both the organization and the community. So a public relation function consisting of an organization's plan, active and continuing participation with and within a community so that this can involve partnerships, voluntary activities, philanthropic contributions, and public participation. So employee relations of dealing and communicating with the employee of the organization. This can include team building and employee empowerment. The next one is government relations, dealing and communicating with the legislatures and government agencies on behalf of organization. So by that, we are like making a good relations with the government activities. Financial relationships that we are dealing and communicating with the firms and interest groups within the organization's industry. So media relations like dealing and communicating with the news media when seeking publicity or responding to reporters' questions. So it also involves setting up and maintaining a professional and mutually beneficial working relationships with the news gatherers and gatekeepers. So in part by becoming known as a credible source and as a provider of factual expert information, whether or not that information results in a media coverages. The public affairs like we are dealing with and communicating with the government and groups with regard to societal policies, actions and legislation. So unlike government actions and legislation, unlike government relations where the practitioner works strictly on behalf of an organization, public affairs also is concerned with the effect of public policies, actions and legislations on its publics.